pieces. Front and the ailerons gonna fit in there. Tail, and we got the rudder. And that's all gonna. You start grinding, right? You start grinding. But anyway, that's comparative sizing, so you can see it's a little bit bigger. I can't hold that thing far enough away for you to be able to see. Oh, that's good. 3.25 ounces or so, give or take a little bit. You know. Okay. Well, it's actually going to be in our first throw. Templates, or this is the actual master sort of template, and then I got markings in here for where the ailerons get marked and stuff like that. So whatever. Everybody, let me show you what I got here so far. What I did is I took the shit out of the yak, of the mini yak, all the small stuff. And I've got one of these 300 E-Flight with I don't know if the size prop this is on here. This is and I got the servos and stuff working, and nothing's hooked up except I hooked just sort of forced the ailerons, because this is kind of encouraging. You can see what I mean. Look at this. Look at this, all by itself. And that's running on one of those, so that's kind of encouraging. Still wants the torque roll. I got nothing on that. I don't want to kill my dog. All by itself. Wish I had an elevator. Oh. Yeah, it just took its first crash. See? To show you there, this is a 730 20C. That's what the draw is on that. So that's where I got my two servos there, and one in the aileron. It's going to come up over here. So we're going to need a lot of throw in the ailerons. Just put extensions on. So. Yeah, motor's a little bit warm, so that's good. So, signing off.